Okay. Maramba, she's not in, and I wanted to explain to her the solution we obtain on that.
The network is stable.
Oh, okay. No, it's fine. In the meantime, let me give you this other question to do. So I want you to try this other question here. So it's question number 3, question number C. And D, I'm going to give you these two questions, of which will serve as the last questions for the day. Can you see these two questions I wrote on the board? Yes. Please quickly do these questions. So this is plus and that is multiplication. This is plus and that is multiplication. So I want you to try those two questions in the next few minutes that are left, of which when you are done, we will do correction. So it's now your time to attend to those two.
Say I'm done.
All right. What answer did you get for the first question?
-3.
-3.
Yes.
All right. And then for the second one?
5x.
5x. Wonderful. Is there anyone who's done? Beside Mukundi?
I'm done.
What answer did you get for the first question?
I -13 over
-13 over?
Rufuno.
Oh,
It's Rufuno.
all right. Rufuno, which answer did you get for the first question?
-13 over 4.
Over 4. And then for the second one?
5x.
5x. Wonderful. All right. Who else is done with these questions?
Sir,
Yes.
you said that network is unstable and it's been saying ending for a long time and not more.
Oh, okay. Let me check this another. Adi? Hello, Adi? Can I do correction for these two questions? Can we do correction? All right, let's do correction for these two questions. So I'll start with the first one. So we're having -3 plus 2 multiplied by -2 minus 3 minus 2, all divided by -2 plus 3 multiplied by 2. So now, can you tell me which signs are attend between positive, negative, and multiplication? Which one are we supposed to attend to first? Is it positive, negative, or multiplication?
Multiplication.
We're supposed to deal with multiplication first. Which rule is that for telling us or for guiding us that we're supposed to deal with multiplication first?
Bodmer's rule.
Is Bodmer's rule. Are we all together?
Yes.
Yes, we have to apply Bodmer's rule in this case. We start with the multiplication. So it means in this case, we're going to start by multiplying 2 and -2, and then we're going to obtain -4, and then the other things which are not having multiplication, we leave them as they are at this stage. And from there we have -2, here we have multiplication, we multiply them together, we'll obtain +4, like that. All right, then after having that, you can then deal with the negatives and the positive. Those you can deal with them at the same time. It doesn't matter. So here we're going to have -3 minus 4, which is -7, -7 minus 3, which is -10, -10 minus 2, which is -12. And then we divide this by 4. So then the final answer we're going to get in this case is -3. Is that okay?
Yes.
Did you all see how we get to the answer of -3?
Yes.
All right. Let me find out from Rufuno. She's here. Rufuno, did you see how we get to the final answer on that question? All right. Who else is here? It's Adi, right? Adi, did you? Adi,
Unmute yourself and talk.
did you see how we get to the final answer? All right. So let me. All right. Yes. Let me explain of how we get to the final answer. We apply what is called Bodmer's rule here. So Bodmer's rule, it tells us that we're supposed to deal with multiplication first. So we don't focus on the addition or the subtraction. We focus on the multiplication first, of which in this case we'll multiply 2 and -2, we obtain -4. Then here we multiply 3 and 2 and we obtain 6. So that's the first step that we have done there. After having that, the addition and subtraction, you can deal with them at the same time. So it does not really matter in this kind of questions. So you can just add everything you have on the numerator, you'll get -12, and then you add everything you have on the denominator, you get 4, of which -12 divided by 4 is going to give us an answer of -3. Is it okay now, Adi?
Yes.
All right, wonderful. So let's go to the last question, which is straightforward. I'll write it here. We have 2x minus into -3x. Multiplication simply means, brackets simply means multiplication. Whenever you see brackets, you must remember that they indicate the sign of multiplication. So it means in this case, we're going to have 2x. So this negative we have here, it must multiply the negative we have inside the bracket. What is negative times negative?
Positive.
Positive. So it means it's going to change the sign here and we have positive 3x. So now these are like terms. If they are like terms, what are we supposed to do? What can we do with like terms? We can add them together, right? Yes. So when we add them together, what do we get?
5.
We get 5x. As simple as that. I'll send this video before 5 today because I'm having another 3 lessons after this one. I'll send the video to you immediately when I'm done with my lessons, and that will be before 5, so that you all follow what we have done. So we have covered solve for x and simplify, of which I believe you grabbed something today. So tomorrow we're gonna continue from where we left. And actually, tomorrow I don't want to focus much on doing the questions for you. You will have to do the questions for yourself, and then from there we do correction. So I will gather some questions of solve for x and some questions on simplify, and then we're gonna attend to such questions. Otherwise, for today, let's end here and enjoy the rest of the day. Goodbye.
You too, sir.
Thank you.